Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by stopping flow and making the area safe. Turn off the main water and open a nearby faucet to relieve pressure, then drain the pipe and dry it thoroughly. Once dry, inspect the exact leak. A pinhole needs different treatment than a failed joint. Make a quick decision: epoxy putty for small holes, a repair clamp for larger tears, or plan a cut and replace for bad corrosion. Gather tools and parts while the pipe is cool. Once you've chosen a method, prepare the metal surface. Use a wire brush and emery cloth until you see shiny metal. This ensures adhesion. If using epoxy putty, knead until uniform, press over the hole and smooth the edges. Keep steady pressure for full contact. If clamping, center the rubber gasket, then tighten bolts evenly to specified torque. For replacement, cut the damaged section cleanly, deburr, test fit a coupling, and solder or tighten compression fittings as appropriate. Measure twice, cut once. You finish by slowly restoring water and observing the repair area closely for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure to increase pressure gradually. This confirms a secure seal without shocking joints. If you see a drip, isolate and tighten the clamp or drain and redo the epoxy prep. Resurface to bare metal and allow full cure time. For recurring leaks or widespread corrosion, schedule a permanent replacement of the pipe section. Tip: if leaks persist, the clamp may be too small, switch to the next size up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.